In this video, we are going to create a complete sand casting model for Procast, and we will be building every component step by step using SolidWorks. We will start by designing all the critical elements needed for proper casting setup, including pattern, pouring basin, sprue, runner, riser, getting system. Once all these components are ready, we will combine them to create the complete mold cavity, which we will later use for the Procast simulation. To proceed further, we will go to this SolidWorks file, new, just check on part, okay. Go to this sketch option, circle, select this plane, circle. Let us give the dimension. Let us give the dimension diameter to 8 mm. 8, enter, okay. Now a sketch corner rectangle, give its dimension, go to the smart dimension, select this dimension to be same, enter. Now select this dimension, give it 5, 5, enter, okay. Select this point, hit Control on the keyboard at the same time. So as you can see, make coincident. Similarly, select this point, hit Control on the keyboard. As you hover here, make coincident. As you can see, both have been coincident. Now go to this, go to the feature, wet, trim entities, sketch. Just select this and this. As you can see, it has been trimmed. Check this. Go to the feature, extrude boss. Give dimension to be 1.5 mm. Hit enter. As you can see, it has been created. Select this plane, go to a sketch, circle, draw a circle with a radius of 1 millimeter. Smart dimension, select its diameter. So do this diameter to 2 mm. Change the diameter to 2 mm. Hit enter. Okay. Uh, Save this. Select this plane. Go to the feature option. Take reference plane. Take the length to be 8 mm. Hit enter. As you can see, a plane has been created at a distance of 8 mm. Select this plane. Go to a sketch. Circle. So take the radius to be 1.5 mm, or you can see go to the smart dimension, take the diameter to be 3 mm, hit enter. As you can see, diameter has been created on the above plane. So save this, go to the feature option, use loft wash command, select the upper circle first. Now select the lower circle. I will say a sprue has been created. Check this. Now again select the plane one or select this. Go to the reference plane and take a plane at a distance of 4 mm from here. Hit 4. Check this. So as you can see, another plane at a distance of 4 mm from plane 1 has been created. So check this, select this plane 2. Okay, it has already been selected. So go to the sketch, select a circle and draw a circle of radius 2.5 mm, or go to the dimension, just give the dimension to radius diameter to 5 millimeter. Okay, done. Now save and exit this. Now go to the feature, select the option called lofted boss or base, select the above circle and lower circle. Now you can see a sprue has been created. Check this. Now select this plane, go to sketch, rectangle, as you can see there I have created a rectangle, corner rectangle. Okay, so I will go to the feature, extrude wash, give its dimension to be 2 mm, hit enter. I will just confirm one direction, it's okay. Now check this. Okay, it's done. Again I will select this. I will go to the sketch, rectangle, zoom it slightly more. Okay, I need to create a corner rectangle. So from this point I'm going to create a rectangle of arbitrary shape. Now I will go to smart dimension. Smart dimension, select this length. I will choose this length to be 5. Hit enter. Again a smart dimension, select this length and I will set it to 10 mm. Okay, done. Now I will go to this feature, extrude boss. I will set it to 10. I'm taking just an arbitrary shape. Just check this option. As you can see, casting component has been created. So this is my casting component, as you can see over here. On this I will select this plane and make a riser over this plane. So selecting this plane, go to the sketch option, circle. Now taking the center midpoint, I will draw a circle. Now I will go to the smart dimension, 3, enter. Okay, as you can see, exit. So as you can see, I would run a circle over this. Now I need to take a reference plane. So I will select this area, and I will go to this feature option, reference plane at a distance of 3, hit enter. So as you can see, a plane at a distance of 3 mm has appeared over here. I will check this. As you can see, plane has appeared. Select the plane 3, go to the sketch circle. I will draw a circle, take this as a center. I will go to the smart dimension, hit over it. Let's suppose its diameter to be 4 mm. Enter, exit, 7 exit. So as you can see, both the circle are on different plane. So again, I will go to this feature option, use lofted boss command, select this upper circle and this lower circle. You can see, and I will check this option. So as you can see, riser has been created. Now I'm going to make mold cavity. So for that, we need to go to this file option, make assembly from part. So it says it the file must be saved before it is inserted into the assembly. So I need to save it first. So save and insert. So let me save this on my desktop, or let me save it in the download. I will be making a new file over here, new folder 3. I will select. So it is casting, hit enter. As you can see, it has been saved and showing over here. So I will select it and I will check to OK. So as you can see, the file has been imported. I will go to this assembly. Now insert component, new part. So as you can see, part 2 has been inserted over here. So click over it, part 2, and edit part. Go to the sketch option, select rectangle, select this plane. Now you need to enclose this whole thing inside a rectangle. Since we are creating this rectangle for the mold, so everything is enclosed inside this. So it's in fine. Now save. Go to this feature, extrude boss. Now I will reverse this direction. Zoom out, reverse the direction, give the dimension to the 15 mm. As you can see, it is enclosed inside the mold cavity from all the sides. So it seems perfect. Okay. So I will check this option. So for making mold cavity, I will click this insert, features and cavity. So I need to select the parts for the cavity. So I will select this casting part, default feature. Select this part and check this. See, the mold cavity has been created over here inside this mold box. It is the negative impression of the pattern. As you can see, it has been created. So now this will be used for the casting simulation, like it will be used in Procast. So now what I will do is I will save this by checking on this option. Now done. So I need to save this pattern and this mold separately. So there is an option called suppress and unsuppress. So let us see how it works. So if I right click on this casting and suppress, so you can see the pattern has been hidden. Now you can see the mold cavity only. Now I just press unsuppress. So you can see the pattern along with the getting system has appeared over here. So similarly, I can do some same for the mold cavity. So just right click over it and press suppress. So it give a message to save. So I just click on save all. So you can see over here only the pattern and getting system appear over here. So I have hidden the mold cavity. I can just unsuppress it. So you can see pattern along with the mold box appear over here. So I just need to save both the items separately. So what I will do, I'm going to first suppress this pattern. So what I will do, right click, suppress. So you can see only the mold box with the cavities here only. So I will save it as .igs file. So for that I will go to file. Let me just go to file, save as. In the download folder, let me make a new folder. Okay, so I will save it as .igs. So from this drop down menu I will select IGES format, and this is mold. So I will rename it as mold, mold. Okay, enter. So you can see it is telling that one or more component are hidden or suppressed. Do you want to resolve them before export? So I will check on no. Why I'm checking this option? So that only the mold box with the cavity is saved. Now I will unsuppress this. As you can see, pattern has appeared over here, and I will suppress the mold. Suppress. So you can see the mold box has been suppressed. Now I will save. Similarly, I will save it, like I will go to save as. In the same download folder, I'll go to download folder for new folder. I will check from this .igs. So it is casting. So I give it as casting and save, and I will tap on no. So it has been saved. Up to this part we have covered in this video. So in next video we shall be seeing how to use Procast to do casting simulation of this both the parts. So we will be requiring both the parts in IGS file to run the Procast simulation. So that is all for this video. Thank you.